In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by getting to the right place inside QuickBooks. From your dashboard, look toward the upper right corner and click on the gear icon, which is your main settings menu. In the drop-down, find the section labeled Tools and then select Budgeting. This is where all of your existing budgets will live and where you'll create new ones. To create a new budget, click the button that says Create New Budget. This opens the main setup window where you'll define the basic details of your budget. Begin by giving your budget a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it 2025 Budget or Marketing Budget 2025. Choose something that will make sense later when you're looking at a list of multiple budgets. Next, set the fiscal year. Use the arrow or drop-down to choose the year that this budget will apply to. Make sure this matches your accounting year so that your reports line up correctly. Now, choose the budget type. You'll usually pick profit and loss if you're budgeting your income and expenses over time. If you're more focused on ending account balances, such as what your assets or liabilities will look like at the end of each period, choose balance sheet instead. Then decide how you want to see the budget: monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Monthly gives you more detail and is great for tracking seasonal changes. Quarterly or yearly can work better if you're planning at a higher level. You'll also see an option to subdivide the budget. This is optional, but very powerful if you use customers, locations, or classes in QuickBooks. For example, you can create separate budget lines for each location or each department by choosing the appropriate subdivision. Next, choose your starting point. If you select From Scratch, you'll enter every budget amount manually. This is ideal if you're building a brand new plan. If you choose From Prior Year's Actuals, QuickBooks will pull in last year's real numbers as a baseline, and you can fine-tune them instead of starting with a blank page. Now it's time to enter and adjust the figures. Click into the cells for each account and each period to type in your budgeted amounts. If you want to speed things up, use the batch options. These let you copy the same number to multiple cells or spread a single total evenly across several months or quarters, which is helpful for recurring expenses. When everything looks good, click Save or Save and Close if you're done working for now. Your budget is now stored and ready to use. As your actual data starts coming in, you can run reports like Budget versus Actuals. These reports compare what you planned to what actually happened, helping you spot trends, stay on track, and make better decisions as the year goes on.